This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to convert from Roman numerals to numbers online. So I like to use this site right here, timeanddate.com. It's quite a long URL, so I'll put that in the video description. Just play this video, click on that link, and you'll wind up here. Now, some of these sites, this is just a very simple site. It just does the calculation you want. So you essentially just enter your Roman numerals here, like I've done here with the X, V, and the 1, and we see that that is, in fact, 16 in standard numbers. And, you know, you can enter anything here. So let's just do the X and the V, and we find that that is, of course, 15. You know, obviously, if you wanted to do something more complicated like that, we can see that XXX 111 is 33 in standard numbers. So really simple, super easy. You can also do from number to Roman numerals, and obviously vice versa. But this is a video about Roman numerals to numbers. A lot of these sites, there's quite a few of these sites that do this kind of thing, but a lot of them have ads just kind of littered all down the side, and it's kind of hard, you know, just to see what's going on. But this one's very clean and sparse as far as I can see. So yeah, this one at timeanddate.com is really useful. The link is in the description, and hopefully you found this video on how to convert from Roman numerals to numbers useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like